Hello students, this is 3.5 exercise. Second question. Actually, first question belongs to cross multiplication method, but according to the alternative syllabus for this year, that part, that is cross multiplication method, has been removed. Now we are proceeding with the second question. Let us see. Here we have two bits. This is the first bit. Question number 2, 3.5 exercise, first bit. For which value of a and b will the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Now here they have given two linear equations in two variable. The first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, but the second equation, if you see, it is with the two other constants like a and b. Now here a minus b of x plus a plus b of y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Now it is look like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That mean instead of a constant number like this, they have given a minus b. Now here we have to find the value of a and b. Okay, and the condition is that this linear equation, that means the pair of linear equations, has infinite number of solutions. When infinite number of solutions, what is the condition? When the two linear equations shows, that is a line on line, that is coincident lines. Let us see what is the condition for coincident lines. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Infinitely number of solutions. Let us see what is a1 by a2. Here the coefficient of ax is 2, coefficient of x here is a minus b. Here just I have compared with the a2, here b2, here c2. Now so a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by a minus b, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by a plus b, c1 by c2, of course minus c1 by minus c2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, because actually according to the standard form this part has to be at LHS, but here it's no problem, both are in the same RHS, the constant c's, therefore the minus c1 minus c2, that means the minus minus is going to cancel here. So here 7 by 3a plus b minus 2, of course. So cancel minus and minus, again it is like c1 by c2. Now here we have a1 by a2 and a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Now what is the condition? The three ratios are equal. For an example, I have given an example, that means a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is equal to 5 by 7, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 7. Because the condition is like this, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore all the ratios are equal. Therefore can we say a1 by a2 is equal to c1 by c2, like this example? Now can we say b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2? Okay, we will do like that. Now take a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by a minus b, this is a1 by a2, and this is equal to, this ratio is equal to c1 by c2. Just I am equalizing two ratios and two ratios so that I can get another two equations. Now LHS is equal to LHS, Therefore, I am going to equalize RHS equal to RHS. Therefore, 2 by A minus B is equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. Now, here also B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So, what is B1 by B2? Here, 3 by A plus B. And this ratio is equal to C1 by C2. What is a C1 by C2? 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. Now, I have, this is second equation. The first equation and second equation. Let's take them here. Just it is a continuation part for the previous page. Now take this equation, and here just get this denominator to this side, and it will multiply 2. Get this denominator to the other side and multiply 7. Now here 6a, now just you can distribute 6a plus 2b minus 4, 7a minus 7b. Bring all ab's to one side. Now separate a's and b's, and here we have constant. Now here minus a plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0. Take minus common. A minus 4b plus 4 equal to 0. Take this minus to the other side, becomes minus 0, that is 0. Now here a minus 9b equal to minus 4. Now here again we have another linear equation in a and b. Now take the second equation and just cross multiplication, and bring all a's b's to one side. Right, separate a's and b's and constant, and 9a minus 7a, 2a, 3b minus 7b, that is minus 4b, minus 6 equal to 0, and bring the 6 here, and you can take the 2 common here, and you can bring the 2 this side. 6 by 2, that is 3. Now here we have another equation in a and b. Now here we have 2 linear equations in 2 variable. Now let's go for elimination method. A and a, so they are matching, so that we are going to cancel them very easily. So I can take 1 minus 2. So I can write 1 first, and I can write 2 say next, and minus, that mean all the symbols, operational symbols for the second equation are going to change. It becomes minus, and it becomes a minus, becomes a plus, and we are multiplying with the minus, that is minus 3. So a and minus a are going to cancel. Here minus 9b plus 4b, that is minus 7b. Here minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, and minus minus are going to cancel, and 7 by 7, that is 1. So the value of b is 1. Substitute the value of b in 1 or 2 equation. So I have taken the first equation. A minus 9b is equal to minus 4. Substitute b value, that is 9b, and bring the minus 9 to this side, that is plus 9. Therefore a value is equal to 5. So here we have a value and b value. Now that's all, and you can substitute the a value and b value here. So just for which the value of a and b, okay, that's fine. Now they are asking us to find only a value and b value, and we got it. This is a, that is a is equal to 5, and this is b is equal to 1. That's all.